Binance Peer-to-Peer Trading, Step-by-Step Guide. In this video, we are going to dig deeper on peer-to-peer trading on Binance platform. Peer-to-peer trading is when a couple of people sell or buy cryptocurrencies directly from each other. It's a type of trading that occurs on a website known as a peer-to-peer marketplace like Binance. The buyers and sellers register and post advertisements for cryptocurrency to be purchased or sold with a specified price range and location. Peer-to-peer exchanges can help you connect with the right individuals, at the right moment, and at the right location so you can receive the best prices and payments, with a means that is convenient to both of you. Binance is an excellent choice when it comes to peer-to-peer trading as it gives access to a number of withdrawal options, payment methods, and transaction execution times. Users on Binance must first complete Know Your Customer (KYC) to access peer-to-peer, margin, or futures trading platforms. How to initiate peer-to-peer trading on Binance. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and enable SMS authentication for peer-to-peer trading. Step 2. Click the Buy button located right next to the cryptocurrency you want to buy. After filtering the price and payment option in the drop-down, choose an Add and press the Buy button. Step 3. Now, you need to add fiat currency or total currency you want to buy in the displayed box. Step 4. After filtering the price and payment option in the drop-down, choose an Add and press the Buy button. Step 5. Verify the payment method and total price. Step 6. When the seller releases the crypto asset, the transaction is concluded. Step 7. If you haven't received your crypto asset within 15 minutes of selecting Transferred, next, you may click Appeal, and an agent from customer support will help you complete your transaction. Why peer-to-peer trading on Binance? Binance peer-to-peer indeed stands out against many of the peer-to-peer services provided by different exchanges. Some of the benefits of Binance peer-to-peer are: 1. No fees. This is the most important benefit of having no fees at all and no hidden costs. You can use peer-to-peer as much as you want on Binance. 2. Diverse payment options. If you want to pay via bank, Wise, PayPal or any other method, Binance has 150+ payment options to suit your needs. 3. High completion rates. Binance are strict on sellers regarding the completion of the transactions immediately. 4. High-level escrow service. This method avoids theft or scams by establishing a second degree of trust, preventing scammers from taking your money or cryptocurrency without completing their side of the transaction. Even, Binance has made their platform super secured. Scammers find ways to scam guys especially who are new to crypto ecosystem. Scams on peer-to-peer trading on Binance. 1. Identity theft. It's a scam known as triangulation fraud, or an indirect payment. In this scam, your trading counterparty uses a third-party payment account to conduct the transaction. Before you release crypto coins, they pay you with an account under another person's name. Some people will ask you to transfer money to a new payment account and provide you with the new account details via chat. Make sure that if the payment account is not the buyer's or seller's, you don't transfer money or release your cryptocurrency. 2. Reversible payments. Here, a buyer will first send funds to your bank account or your payment option in order to make sure you release the cryptocurrency. The buyer then makes a call to the bank within 72 hours and informs them that they have not made the transaction, therefore the bank will revoke the payment, resulting in a financial loss for you. Asking the buyer to provide you a snapshot of the transfer record as a confirmation of their purchase before transferring crypto is a simple approach to safeguard yourself from reversible payment. Conclusion. In conclusion, peer-to-peer trading allows you to buy and sell crypto assets with others. It is a direct transaction between individuals, without the need for a broker. It's a relatively new concept that has been around for only about 3 years. However, it has become increasingly popular since the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has been rising. It's important to note that peer-to-peer trading isn't for everyone, but it is becoming increasingly popular. Hey! Thank you for watching this video. If you love this content, feel free to comment, share, subscribe and smash that notification bell, so that you won't miss any future content and giveaways. Disclaimer. The views expressed in this video, on the blog or on this YouTube channel is for education and information purpose only. I am not the financial advisor. So, before investing on any asset class, please do your due diligence and research. Your investments are your own responsibility, and only invest what you afford to lose. Crypto Wealth Code.